Yeah, hello children, how are you all? I hope so you are fit and fine at home. Today we will start the next video of lesson number 1, circulatory system. I'm sure the previous video you have looked nicely at the video and understood how the circulatory system works and how the heart, blood and blood vessels function. Okay, so let's move on to the second part of the video. Okay. Now children, we will understand that how can we make our heart healthy. We can make our heart healthy by drinking lot of water. It's summertime, so you can have juices or certain liquids which can make you healthy. Eating habits are very important for healthy heart. We should eat healthy food. We should avoid oily or cheesy and even junk foods like burgers and pizzas and even a lot of cheesy sandwiches. We should avoid them, because this will make us fat and will make us lethargic and lazy, whereas eating a lot of citrus fruits or normal fruits and even drinking milk, all such things will make you healthy. Apart from that, take a break from technology, which is again a new type of a thing, because every now and then we are on mobile phones, very close to these gadgets. Actually, we are closer to the radiations, and radiations are very dangerous for our heart. And we should get active. And how can we get active these days? Because lockdown period, you cannot do activities such as swimming or walking. So how can we be active these days? We can be active these days by practicing deep breathing exercises. We can do pranayams. We can do yoga asanas, which will be benefit for us. And lastly, get plenty of sleep. Taking proper rest and proper sleep will make our heart healthy.
Keeping your heart healthy is simple when you look at the big picture. Get exercise, eat right, stress less, watch your weight, don't smoke. Transforming your goals into action isn't so simple, but it's not impossible too. It's your life that matters the most. Well, we give you some practical hints for a way of life that makes you feel great while it strengthens your heart. Eat healthy fats. We need fats in our diet, including saturated and polysaturated and unsaturated fats. One fat we don't need is trans fat, which is known to increase your risk of developing heart disease or having a stroke over a lifetime. This is because trans fat clogs your arteries by raising your bad cholesterol levels and lowering your good cholesterol levels. By cutting them from your diet, you improve the blood flow throughout your body. Practice good dental hygiene. Dental hygiene is a good indication of overall health, including your heart, because those who have periodontal or gum disease often have the same risk factors for heart disease. Studies continue on this issue, but many have shown that bacteria in the mouth involved in the development of gum disease can move into the bloodstream and cause an elevation in C-reactive protein, a marker for inflammation in the blood vessels. These changes may in turn increase your risk of heart disease and stroke. Get enough sleep. Sleep is an essential part of keeping your heart healthy. If you don't sleep enough, you may be at a higher risk for cardiovascular disease, no matter your age or other health habits. One study looking at 3,000 adults over the age of 45 found that those who slept fewer than 6 hours per night were about twice as likely to have a stroke or heart attack as people who slept 6 to 8 hours per night. Don't sit for too long at one time. In recent years, research has suggested that staying seated for long periods of time is bad for your health no matter how much exercise you do. This is bad news for the many people who sit at sedentary jobs all day. Avoid second-hand smoke like the plague. Studies show that the risk of developing heart disease is about 25 to 30% higher for people who are exposed to second-hand smoke at home or work. Be firm with smokers that you do not want to be a part of passive smoking and keep children away from second-hand smoke. Follow these 5 tips and you'll be doing your heart a favor. you will feel better and be able to stay active.
Children, for better understanding of function of heart, here is a musical video for you all.
Taking blood from the heart to the cells and back, dealing with all things vascular and cardiac. Capillaries, arteries and veins, all I'm saying, the circulation is the name of the game. Taking blood from the heart to the cells and back, dealing with all things vascular and cardiac. Capillaries, arteries and veins, all I'm saying, the circulation is the name of the game. And let me start from the heart, cause that seems smart. It's not hard to see, that is the most important part. The first step is to gather up oxygen, sends blood to the lungs, back to the heart again. Next up, we'll talk about the arteries. They take blood from the heart to where it's gotta be. The biggest artery, the main transporter, right next to the heart, it's called the aorta. Taking blood from the heart to the cells and back, dealing with all things vascular and cardiac. Capillaries, arteries and veins, all I'm saying, the circulation is the name of the game. Taking blood from the heart to the cells and back, dealing with all things vascular and cardiac. Capillaries, arteries and veins, all I'm saying, the circulation is the name of the game. Ay. From the arteries into the capillaries, all your organs and muscles become the beneficiaries of all the oxygen and nutrients they bring through very tiny vessels inside of the body tissue. And now the oxygen's gone, but first we got some carbon dioxide waste to take on, and it's into the vein, then back to the heart again, and let the whole cycle start again. Taking blood from the heart to the cells and back, dealing with all things vascular and cardiac. Capillaries, arteries and veins, all I'm saying, the circulation is the name of the game. Taking blood from the heart to the cells and back, dealing with all things vascular and cardiac. Capillaries, arteries and veins, all I'm saying, the circulation is the name of the game. Ay. Taking blood from the heart to the cells.
Children, I asked you on that day certain MCQ regarding the circulatory system. So, I'm answering you those questions. You can check out your answers, whether they are matching my answer or not. Okay, so here we begin. What is the circulatory system? Now, actually the circulatory system is the blood transporting system. Okay. Now the next one is, from what source do cells get their food? Cells get their food from blood. Next one is, why is oxygen important to blood and to cells? The correct answer is because oxygen is necessary for cell growth and energy. Next one is, which type of blood vessel carry blood away from the heart? It is arteries which carries blood away from the heart, okay? And veins carry to the heart, and arteries carry blood away from the heart. Next one is, why is blood that flows through the lungs to the heart bright red rather than dark red? Now this question was a little bit different question. Actually the oxygen makes it red. The blood get its red color when hemoglobin picks up oxygen in the lungs. As blood travels through the body, the hemoglobin releases oxygen to different body parts. That is why oxygen makes the blood red in color. Okay, now which part of blood carries the minerals, vitamin, sugar and other food to the body cells? The correct answer is plasma. Plasma is the one which carries all these things. Okay, the last one was, what is the main job of red corpuscles in the blood? The correct answer is, its main job is to transport oxygen to the body cells and carry away carbon dioxide from the cells. I hope so you have answered the correct one and your answers were matching my answer. Children, here are some recommendations for better understanding of the video. First of all, you need to be very much keen and alert while looking at the video. Secondly, for science, you can make an interleaf copy so that you can write notes as well as draw diagrams. Now, because of the lock time, maybe the interleaf copy is not available, so in that case you can use any of the old interleaf copy, or if even that is not available, so you can use any single line copy as well. Okay children, now I'll be giving you some homework as well as classwork assignments. You can see from the window. Let's begin with the classwork assignments. Here are some fill in the blanks. I will pause here for some time so that you can copy down these. Okay, Now here are some question answers. Now these are the give reasons. You need to copy down in your copy. Okay, now here are some homework assignments which you have to do it yourself. Write 3 ways to keep heart healthy and strong. Second is compare and circle the odd one out. Okay, and the last one is draw the diagram of heart. Children, I'm sure by now you would have understood the lesson very nicely. Okay, thank you so much. Bye.